on, you're living a Fast and Furious dream right here, bro.
I'm telling you.
You've got to ask him what the retail is on one of those. Say, hey mate, what's the retail on one of those? Hopefully he'll reply.
More than you can afford, pal.
Today, it's old school tuner car versus old school supercar. See, since as far back as I can remember, beating a supercar with your souped up project car has always been hailed a thing of excellence. But how hard is it really to pull off? I mean, millions are spent by prestige manufacturers on R&D and employing big teams to create groundbreaking tech to literally be the fastest. And most tuner cars are built by small, mostly unknown backstreet garages working with small budgets and tiny workforces in comparison. And yes, it's actually fairly common for new sports cars to take on or even beat supercars nowadays with just simple modifications. But both of these cars are from the early 2000s, and I'm interested to see how this one's gonna play out. So first up today, representing for the old school supercar lovers, is Terry, stepping up in his stunning 2007 5-litre V10 naturally aspirated 520 bhp Lamborghini Gallardo Spider. And Terry's going to be defending supercar owners' prides worldwide against Mohammed from ALMA Crash Repair Centre, driving his year 2000 2.6 litre inline 6-cylinder twin-turbo powered 600 bhp Nissan Skyline R34 GTR. Now, in true tuner style, Mo's GTR actually started life as a GTT, which later went on to have a full GTR conversion, but not the four-wheel drive system, so it's actually still running rear-wheel drive, meaning not only has it got half the amount of grip the Gallardo has, it also has near on half the engine capacity. Oh, and 4 cylinders less. However, it's got 2 turbos, and that's 2 more than the Lambo has. So this should be interesting. As usual, we'll be extracting all of today's race data from our VBox Performance Box Touch GPS timing tools. And first up today, let's see who's fastest in the quarter-mile roll race.
I've heard it's got 500 and something brake, 600 and something brake. God knows how much power it's got. It's just put a load of race fuel in it. I'm running standard stock car, just with Capristo exhaust and decap pipes. From factory it was only 520, but we'll see how far ahead he gets. All these 620 brakes, 720 brakes, whatever power he's running, it brakes, I'm winning.
I have big feeling I will definitely win it, but let's see how it goes.
The supercar, the Lambo, I'm gonna say the Lambo took it. That was interesting. I don't think it was by much, but let's find out. Finish line. Who won that and by how much?
That was a win for the R34 by 3 car lengths.
Ah, what am I seeing? It's happening again. It's happening again, guys. The old eyes, they're going crazy. All right, let's line them back up and go. I'm confused. Let's go again.
Don't know if I went a little bit early, but I lit off and then went again. But yeah, about 3 car lengths. Well, I can do better than that.
That was beautiful, sweet.
Come on, you old girl. Come on. is that V10 though?
Let's see now.
I'm going to say I'm going to be wrong, I know. I'm telling you that Gallardo won. The Gallardo won. Everyone's shaking their heads. Specsavers, man. Honestly, it might be worse than that. I don't know if Specsavers can save me. Let's actually find out, make sure I'm right, or they're right, or you know what I mean. Finish line, finish line. Who won that and by how much?
That was another win for the R34 by about 2 car lengths.
Oh, okay, it was closer though. Yeah, I don't think Specsavers can save me at this point. It's an operation, it's surgery, isn't it? It's probably surgery. All right, cool, well, let's line them up for a drag race.
I made the car ready for last second. I never slept last night just to make it ready. So I'm happy. Let's see. Drag race as well. I'm hoping to have it as well.
I love the sound of this car. Can't even hear his one.
All good.
All good, all good.
Wow.
You're beating a supercar, yeah?
Wow, man. Honestly.
This car's moving, man.
Wow. She is.
Ready, ready, ready. Set, go. I don't know. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not saying it. The Gallardo won. Well, it's nodding again. Honestly, maybe, I don't know. Finish line, who won that? The Gallardo won that.
So that was a win for the R34 by 3 car lengths.
What? 3? Mate. That's crazy. Does he know which one's the R34 and which one's the Lambo? Man, this is crazy. All right, cool. I didn't see that happening. Wow, that R34 is moving, and remember, it's rear-wheel drive. You know, that's crazy. I guess let's line him back up and go one more time, and then maybe a bonus round. You reckon bonus round? Yeah, we're gonna do something.
My launch very poor, but the car goes.
Ready, 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 set, go. Now, no one is telling me that Skyline just won. The Gallardo won that time, right? Nah, you're playing with me this time. Nah, there's no way the Skyline. I heard him miss about 12 gears there. Literally, there was no way he won. Let's find out. Finish line. Who won that and by how much?
So that was another win for the R34 by 2 car lengths.
Bro. What? Now, honestly, this is bad. We're all finding out this together. There's something wrong with me. This is bad, you know. Don't be laughing at my expense, yeah? What did that person say? I'm legally blind. It could be happening to me. All right, anyway, enough about that. let's line him up for another bonus. We've got to do a bonus race. If he's really winning by that much, it's bonus race time.
I missed the gear, but
But you still went round him?
yeah.
All right, you, back on that line, we're going again.
All right.
All right, we're going again. How's he missing a gear and still going round him? All right, let's line up. We're going to do a little bit of a fun one here. What's a good one? Give him a car length and a hit. 2 car lengths and a hit. I think 2 car lengths and a hit.
2.5.
Two and a hit. All right, so we're going to give you 2 car lengths and the hit, yeah?
Right,
So
okay.
basically, I'm going to ask you both ready,
Yeah.
and then I'm just going to drop my hands.
Okay.
When you want to go, you go. He's got to chase you, yeah?
All right, okay,
I'm going
cool.
to call you forward, yeah? Let me just
Lovely.
make sure your camera's still on. All right, all good. That's 1. That 2 there?
Yeah.
All right, that 2 there. So he gets 2 car lengths and the hit,
Okay.
yeah?
All right
So,
then,
right, so what I'm
perfect.
going to do is I'm going to ask, are you ready? I'm going to ask, are you ready? I'm just going to put my hands down. When he goes, you chase, yeah?
All right.
Let's go. Ready. Ready.
Yes! Come on! I got me! Oh my god, that's what good. I spin a lot. I spin a lot.
He won that time. He won that time. He did? What do you reckon? He won? You think? He's definitely won that. For me, he's won that. This is getting bad. Finish line, finish line. Who won that and by how much?
So that was a win to the Gallardo by about 2 car lengths.
Got it right. Got it right, finally. 2 car lengths, is that it though? Jesus. All right, cool. Well, I guess in some roundabout way, now we know.
2 car lengths. It's just that start, man. If I get that start right and it's oh donkey.
My launch was good, but the car didn't grip. So yeah, I was focusing on my launch, but yeah, the car didn't grip. 1 second, kept going left and right, but he got me. He got me.
Got him in the end.
You got him in the end. Bro, I don't know what's going on, but for every race, it looked, where I was standing, that you won every race. Every race.
He literally like, I pull on him
Yeah.
and then he just,
He comes round.
yeah,
you.
like the last sort of like
Oh, it's
quarter of
right at the
track,
end, kind
like,
of.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I put cheap fuel in it because I didn't know I was racing. I just put, I
Oh
filled
yeah,
it up with
by
a
the way,
cheaper.
guys, he came down today, didn't know he's racing, he ended up in 2 races. If you've seen both of the races already, who knows? But yeah, anyway, so as the 95 in it.
Yeah, it was, no, it was, what was it, Tesco's, was it 85, 95?
95, Tesco's 95.
Yeah. And he even said put some 99 in it. I went, no, we're going a long way, I'm putting a cheap in. But it's done well, it's done well.
Oh, well, man, it's sick, man.
Cheers, mate.
So let's take a look over at the fastest 100 to 200 kph times achieved by the pair during the runs using a VBox PBT and extracting the data using RaceLogic's Test Suite software. And unsurprisingly, the GTR is the faster car. In fact, it's the only one of the 2 that recorded a valid time, going 100 to 200 kph in just 8.29 seconds. The Gallardo not quite fast enough over the given distance to record a valid time. And then taking a look over at the fastest quarter mile time, the pair actually aren't miles apart. But no surprises, that GTR runs the fastest time, covering the distance in 12.35 seconds at a speed of 128 miles per hour, beating the Lamborghini's best time of 12.98 seconds at a speed of 115 miles per hour. And looking at the best 0 to 60 times achieved, it's very close. But still, the rear-wheel drive manual GTR manages to get there fastest, hitting 60 in 4.69 seconds, just beating the 4-wheel drive supercar's best 0 to 60 time of 4.76 seconds. That's data to back up the results. And both rounds go to Mohamed, the GTR and the old school tuner community. Congrats, brother. So now we know, but let's be real, neither cars are actually what we'd now consider rapid for modern day tuned sports car or supercar standards. In fact, that Gallardo's pretty slow by today's standards, with a quarter-mile time and 0 to 60 that something like a BMW 335D X-Drive could keep up with. But that's not the point, it's still a Lamborghini, it looks beautiful and sounds amazing. However, today, in this old school showdown, the tuner community emerged triumphant. Regardless, a massive shout out to both lads for pulling up and making this one happen for the culture. So let me know down below in the comments, if you could only have one of the two set outside on your drive, which one would it be and why? And of course, if you have enjoyed today's races, show your support by hitting that thumbs up. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, because we'll be back, same time, same place, with another legendary OG battle. Peace out.